Target on English, Back to Basics 27, Scheduling and Organising. How can we talk about the future and future plans? We can say will. I will go shopping later. Or you can say going to. We are going to do some gardening tomorrow. Typically, we use will when we decide to do something while we're talking, or we can use will as a promise. I will call you back after work. He will not be able to ring me later. He won't do your homework for you. Will you give me a hand, please? Typically, we use going to for plans that have already been organised. I'm going to visit my parents next week. We're not going to have a meeting this week. Messi isn't going to play for Argentina anymore. Is Target on English going to develop a Spanish language course? We can also use the present continuous for plans about to happen, and we often give the time the plans happen. I'm Skyping my mother at 10 p.m. We're not going to the party this weekend. We aren't getting the train home. Is she doing the interview later? And of course, we can use the present simple. It's normally used for routines, habits and scheduled events. The bus leaves at 8 a.m. every morning. We play football after work on Tuesdays. I don't have a meeting later. When do we board the plane? Which sentence is correct for a meeting planned for next week? I'm going to meet a new client next month. I will meet a new client next week. I have a meeting after work. I'm meeting a new client next week. Next month and after work are incorrect. Remember, we typically use will for plans made while talking. This meeting has already been planned. So, I'm meeting a new client next week is correct. Practice. Before the next lesson, use the vocabulary to practice making plans. So plan a day out, plan a meeting, plan a surprise for someone, and have fun.